Thank you. Cheers. Lots of requests for me to ride the A2 bikes. In this case, the Duke 390. Now, I'm not the world's greatest expert in that segment. Actually, this is the first 400cc bike I ride in years, and I'm pleasantly surprised. I mean, the power these things have these days is fantastic. There's no lacking in power anywhere. You can, in my view, you can use it for everything. And obviously being so light, it is very nice handling. All the controls are so light. I presume they made them like this to make them as easy as possible to ride. It is a really nice bike, and I'm not saying about the KTM. I'm sure all the other manufacturers in this segment will do the same job as such, because it is a very competitive segment, especially in Europe because of the license requirements, and they're all scrambling to do these bikes. And who's the winner? You guys, because when I started, if I had such a bike, it would have been incredible. Now, obviously after half an hour, I'm not going to comment much about the bike, except that I felt it's a bit cramped. I mean, I'm not the tallest guy in the world, I'm not the biggest guy in the world, but for design reasons, they do these split seats. When you have a cramped bike, or if you know you're short on space, give it one single seat. Allow the rider to move. It's just, you put your arse here and you can't move any further in order to increase your leg room as such. That's my only criticism, is that, yeah, it is a cramped bike. I felt my knees all the way up. But other than that, and people are worried about build quality and stuff like that. I have no clue. But other than that, I really, really like the bike. And I'm, again, I'll say it, surprised how easy it is to ride, how well balanced it is, and most of all by that engine. There's ample power in there.